to 20 knots late. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Dominant period 5 seconds. Saturday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming west 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Saturday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 3 feet. Sunday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Marine This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Marine forecast, James River from James River.